What do we have here? Yamaha rear bed extension. And I'm going to show you the Massive Overkill modified install. First thing I want to do is I want you to pre-assemble the bed extender, which I'll do in a minute. The other thing they want you to do is to take off the rear fenders and remove the taillights, which I'm not going to do. They want you to do that so you can get a drill in here to drill a pilot hole. And they want you to take these brackets. Let me go to this one here because of the light. They want you to take these brackets, mount them on the inside, so you can mark the hole for your thumb screw here. And then drill a hole from the inside. Well, I just reversed the brackets from left to right, and I'm going to drill it from the outside. And I just thought of a good way to mark this is once you have those installed, just screw your thumb screw in, and it'll mark your hole where you need to do it. Okay, so you don't have to fully remove your fenders. You can leave the front bottom there installed, and you have to remove all these top bolts and the one down here. But you don't have to remove it completely. You can just leave it hanging there. All right, next step. I have my bracket extension loosely put together. These are X5 and then a 12mm bolt on the back, 4 of them, and then install your rubber bumper on each side. And once again, just leave it loosely installed. These brackets are for the X2 RMAX 2, and then these straight brackets are for the X4 RMAX 4. So I had to make my pilot hole a little bit larger. I went up to 9/16, and it's installed. Notice I didn't have to remove my taillight to drill that hole because I drilled it from this side after I marked it. I have the other one installed as well. Okay, so once you have your left and right brackets installed, take your tailgate extender and insert it over the pivot point and just screw your thumb screws in. On each side. Careful not to cross thread it. Once you have those in place, you can tighten down these screws. Goes right over the pivot point there. Wish I had better lighting. It's a little bit better. And that's it.